The strangulation of a baby by an illegal alien sparks controversy in the U.S. An 8-month-old infant, allegedly strangled by an illegal immigrant in Leesburg, Virginia, has passed away. The Department of Homeland Security, DHS, confirmed that U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, filed a detainer for Alvaro Mejia-Ayala, who faces charges of using a white charging cord to strangle the child. This case has ignited fierce debate over the intersection of immigration policy, child protection, and the legal treatment of undocumented individuals. Why would someone use a charging cord to murder a defenseless baby? This is barbaric, said DHS Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin, describing the act as a sick monster in the U.S. She emphasized that ICE's action was to prevent the suspect from being released on U.S. streets, a stance consistent with President Trump and Secretary Mayorkas's policies against criminalizing immigrants. Exclusive. A Salvadoran national arrested in Virginia last week is charged with felony strangulation of an infant. He was previously arrested for reckless driving in 2024, but was released before ICE could file a detainer. The infant, who died on Tuesday after being attacked on Wednesday, has left a profound impact on the community. Leesburg Police Chief Sia Pernat stated, "This was not an accident. A child was murdered in a deliberate act." The baby who died after a hospital battle highlights tensions between immigration enforcement and family safety. Mejia-Ayala, a native of El Salvador, entered the U.S. in 2016 and was later allowed to remain illegally under the Obama administration. The Biden administration, however, dismissed his immigration case in October 2024, allowing him to stay indefinitely. Critics argue that such cases reveal systemic flaws in how the U.S. handles immigration, while supporters claim it's a matter of public safety. Is it right to prioritize law enforcement over familial bonds? One commenter asked. Should the U.S. treat undocumented immigrants as criminals or as vulnerable individuals in need of support? The case underscores broader debates about border security, child protection laws, and the moral implications of criminalizing undocumented individuals. As the investigation unfolds, the public is left to grapple with questions about justice, compassion, and the line between vigilance and cruelty. Retention hooks. But here's where it gets controversial: the legal framework surrounding immigration and child protection. And this is the part most people miss. The suspect was already in the U.S. illegally. Controversy comment hooks. Do we protect children from harm at the cost of punishing immigrants? Or is this a reflection of our values? Should the U.S. treat undocumented immigrants as criminals or as vulnerable individuals in need of support? Jack Davis, a freelance writer for the Western Journal, has chronicled U.S. politics and foreign policy since 2015. His work explores the complexities of immigration reform, national security, and humanitarian concerns.